Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, dear children, in your online computer class. I was teaching you chapter number 7, more on Photoshop. So today I'm going to teach you about the layers in Photoshop. So what are the layers in Photoshop? Think of a sheet of paper with a stack of transparent plastic sheets above it. These sheets form layers one above the other. This is how layers are provided in Photoshop. The transparent areas on a layer let you see layers below. So object placed on layers that can be stacked or moved to create a composition. You can use layers to control how images are displayed, printed and edited in Photoshop. An image you open for the first time appears in one layer. The change you make it are added to a different layer. The original image remains as it is. If you can draw, edit, paste or reposition elements on one layer without affecting the object on other layer. The layer panel displays the layers of the image in the order in which they are placed. Here you can see this is the layer panel. So in this layer panel you can see that here are different layers, and you can the different layers are here, and you can select those layers and do the editing on that layers. You can use it to control how the layers interact. Now you can see in this figure that there are different layers, and there is a main background layer, and the other layers are used to do editings. Here also you can see that there is one background layer, and rest of the two layers are used to do the editing. You can select the other layers and can make changes on that layers to make your photo very attractive. So if to select any layer, to select a layer you just have to click on the layer that you want to select in the layer panel. When you click on that layer, the layer will turn blue like this to indicate that it has been selected. So when you select that layer, then only you can do changes on that layer. So this is the use of layers. Now how you add a new layer. So our next topic is adding a new layer. To add a new layer, first what you have to do is click on the layer on the menu bar, then select new, then the new layer dialog box appears. Here you can enter a name, or you can change the color, or whatever you wanted to change. You can change it here and write the name of a layer and then click on OK. The new layer has been added. As you can see in this layer panel, the new layer has been added here. So this is how we add a new layer. Shortcut key to add a new layer is you have to press shift plus control plus N. If you want to add a new layer, there is a shortcut key, that is shift plus control plus N. Next is deleting a layer. If you want to delete a layer, first you have to select that layer in the layer panel. So you have to right click on that layer which you want to delete. Then select the delete layer options from the menu that appears, and then a dialog box appear, and you have to click on yes. Click on yes in the confirmation dialog box that appears. Your layers. Next is renaming a layer. It means to give a new name to the present layer. So to rename a layer, first in the layer panel, select the layer to be renamed. Then click on the layer. Then click on the rename layer. the existing name of the layer will be selected in the layer panel. As you can see here that this blue color shows the existing name of a layer. So this name has been selected here, and here you can type a new name in place of this. So type a new name for the layer and then press the enter key. Photoshop is very interesting to use. It has various tools to edit your image. Similarly, you can move the layers up and down. You can also move object on a layer to see where the object or the text looks better. So to move the object on a layer, first you have to select the layer. In the layer panel, you have to select the layer whose object you want to move. Then select the layer, then select the move tool in the toolbox. Then you select the move tool. After selecting the move tool, click on the object which you want to move, and then without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse and to a new position where you want to keep the text or an object. Next topic is filters. So you all are very familiar with this word filter. You'll use it in your day-to-day life. So what are the filters? Filters are tools that are used to quickly create effects on images. A filter placed over an image can change its appearance. You can make the image look like a sketch. You can add a pattern, texture, or sound. You can apply a filter to an image on a different layer. This allows you to easily modify or remove the effect. You can apply a filter to a whole layer or just to a selection on a layer. So here you can see that here are some filters are given. You can use these filters to make your image more attractive. Okay, your chapter is done. Do the exercises.